To quote Buddha, every human being is the author of his or her own health or disease. In relation to this, here are a few of my classmates that will explain to us how to be good authors of our health and life.
What is nutrition? The intake of food in order to provide healthy materials that in turn provide energy for development of human body is called nutrition. Some essential nutrients are carbohydrates, good fats, proteins, etc.
Importance of nutrition are as follows. It's a source of energy, helps in maintaining fitness, helps in keeping the mind focused and active.
A few easy tips for healthy eating. Eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day. Enjoy all food groups. Drink a lot of water. Avoid soft drinks, sports drinks, and energy drinks. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full.
Adding to the tips, choose foods high in fiber like bran, wheat, including cereal or cereal bars. Order as minimum as you think you can eat, as most restaurants serve portions bigger than what you might actually need. Don't use food to entertain or make yourself feel better.
What is dieting? Dieting is the practice of eating food in a regulated and supervised fashion for various reasons such as losing or gaining weight and preventing diseases like diabetes, etc.
As good as it sounds, it might be harmful. We might miss out on some essential nutrients we really need. Dieting might make us feel miserable, depressed, or cranky because of hunger. A low calorie diet, which includes all nutrients, is a safe way to slim down, but many forego the path in favor of yo yo eating, the cycle of losing weight and regaining it, which can have major risks.
A little junk food is okay, but that in a huge amount causes a lot of problems, some of which are they cause digestive problems like irritable bowel syndrome, acidity, constipation, bloating, etc. Gastroesophageal reflux disease is a digestive disorder in which the acidic stomach juices or foods and fluids back up from the stomach to the esophagus.
Junk foods have simple carbohydrates that cause a spike in blood sugar levels. Eating junk foods will more often alter the normal insulin level, thereby increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes, weight gain, and insulin resistance. Type 2 diabetes means the body doesn't use insulin properly.
To quote Buddha yet again, he who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. Here come a few of my classmates that will speak about how we can take care of ourselves and boost our immunity amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
The World Health Organization (WHO) also says that good nutrition is crucial for health, particularly when the immune system needs to fight back. It is also important to remain physically active. Foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, all colors of bell peppers, tomato, kiwi, and sprouts, help in forming antibodies in addition to being an antioxidant.
Vitamin A is found in foods of animal origin such as dairy products, poultry, fish, and meat. The above is also found in carrots, spinach, broccoli, red bell peppers, and papaya. Vitamin E supports neutralization of free radicals as an antioxidant.
Well spoken. I'm sure we all can try and influence at least a few of our habits by the points beautifully explained by the class of 11C. Thank you.
Almighty God, we thank Thee for the beginning of a new day. Help me to be prepared for the challenges I face today. Help me to be open to difficult tasks. Help me to be accepting people's differences. Help me to be responsible in all I do. Help me to be kind in my thoughts and actions. Help me not to lose hope in these difficult times and to be myself, to be the best that I can be. May God be with us in work and play.